Is Ireland set to become the reality TV capital of Europe? This week, the Irish government announced a brand new tax credit for unscripted programming. That refers to docu-series, entertainment chat shows, and reality television. The tax credit will allow producers to claim 20% of certain expenditures, with a maximum cap of 15 million per project. Projects have to pass a cultural test, and certain aspects, such as a presenter's fee, cannot be covered by it. It's the first of its kind in Europe, and the hope is that it will attract international investment and help boost the domestic industry here, much in the same way that the tax credit Section 481 has done so for the Irish film industry. Unscripted programming is one of the most popular and fastest growing genres of television. Successful formats such as The Traders pull in millions of viewers and become event television, and the franchise has been sold around the world. Other series such as Big Brother and Survivor have run for decades. However, it is an incredibly competitive and crowded market with big players. Irish producers welcome the new tax credit. However, there are limitations. A stipulation that a series can only avail of one tax credit per year could discourage international producers who like to block shoot versions of the same franchise back to back from filming here.